This is my WUBA clock that I got here a while back, and it decided that the chimes did not want to stop, and I'm pretty sure the cause of it is the rack stop lever is not going into the gathering cam with gathering pen to shut it off. And that's why I don't like taking the cam off the arbor, is because if you don't put it on just right, it'll loosen on you, and then this will happen. And I'm pretty sure that's what I'm going to find when I take this thing apart. I had the movement out of the case, and if you watch the gathering pen on the cam, you will see that it's not picking up the rack. The cam has moved, and that's why I don't like taking the cams off, because if you don't get them exactly on the clock, as the clock functions, the cam will move on you. Plus, it wears out the hole in the cam if you keep taking it off, putting it back on, taking it off, putting it back on. So I just need to reposition this gathering cam with gathering pen, and the clock will stop striking. It'll lift up the rack like it's supposed to. This being the rack. It's supposed to lift up the rack like that and then shut off. So that's what I'm going to do. But in order to put the cam on, you have to hold these gears. You have to make sure that the third wheel warning pen is in place on this tab. I also just noticed that this arbor is bent, and that's why it's doing what it's doing. I don't know if you can see it. The arbor that the cam fits on, it's bent. So I have to take this movement apart and straighten out that arbor. I'll be back.